This is John in the middle of just the end of our snowstorm. He's on our deck. He can barely get through the snow drifts. The drifts going into our house are up to his hip. And this is our walkway that we can no longer get to. Our neighbor is doing some, what do you call those machines that you, snowblower, there we go. Been in the house for a couple of days, my brain is a little dead. So, there we are. Now I am going to go where John has gone, holding onto my glove under my arm so I don't lose it. I'm going to try, my hope is to get into the backyard so I can go into our little coop area and try to find another shovel. But I have a feeling with our gate snowed in, I'm not going to be able to open it. This is, if you've ever been on our deck, there's the window to our study, and there is the snowdrift. You can no longer see the swing that is on our deck. And our wonderful neighbor, Mr. Roy, is helping us with his snowblower. So, and we can show you our steps that go down to that little side yard where we keep some of our barrels. Pretty much, the top step is barely visible. Excuse me. So, that is the story of our crazy New England weather for our son who lives in South Carolina, who told us this morning he doesn't miss this weather whatsoever. And to be honest, I don't blame him. And here's the backyard. Our little patch where Evan and Katie's garden was is almost, see that little black dot in the middle of the screen? That is part of the garden. You can barely see it. It's almost gone. There are the steps, covered nice and high. So this is absolutely crazy. Again, there's John trying to get over the snow pile coming from the street. Is he gonna make it? He made it! Yay! John, wave! Woohoo! Now comes the work. Hope your day is a good day. Goodbye.